Welcome back, little makers. Today we're gonna make these awesome pipe cleaner spiders. Nailed it! Today what you're gonna need is pipe cleaners, googly eyes, and some hot glue. Let's get started. So you can get 3 pipe cleaners out and we're gonna start. I'm using 2 same colors for the legs. So you're gonna take your 2 pipe cleaners and you're gonna fold them so they're the same size. Once you're done that, you can take your scissors and cut right in the middle here. So then you've got 4 different legs. Now you're gonna stick them all together like this and just twist them near the middle. There. One more twist. Okay. Now what you're gonna do is you're going to take your 3rd and you are going to wrap it around. Make sure it's in the middle. Okay. Then you want to leave some out because these are going to be ring spiders, so you need to have your ring part. So you're going to take one of these things and you want to put it in here. And you want to try and get you're gonna wrap it around here, and you wanna make a little loop, and make sure that your finger can fit in it. Make sure that's not too big though, because you don't want it falling off. Take it out, and you're gonna wrap it in here, so that it stays. So you've got your spider, but so separate the legs now from one side, and then you want to go and pinch up, make like a V, and do that for all of the other legs, and on this side too. There. So you've got your basic spider. Now what you want to do is decorate it like you want. What I'm gonna do is just add some googly eyes. I think I'll do different colors, but you guys can add googly eyes, you can add paper, you can make mouths, you can do a bunch of different things. Okay, I'm gonna take a green eye and a blue eye. Mine are even 2 different sizes. Okay, now I'm going to put my spider there, and I'm going to take the hot glue and stick it on. There's one eye, and now my green eye is going to go on. There, I have my spider. Just for fun, I have made this backdrop for my spiders, and I'm going to take a picture and put it in the Artebula app. And that's it.
If you like this tutorial and you want to see more, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're getting piles of artwork because of all this awesomeness, then you've got an app for that. It's called Artebula, and you can find it for free on the App Store and Google Play Store.